Axé is a Bahian greeting from Salvador, Bahia, a phrase with religious reference used for many years in Brazil, meaning positive energy. This phrase was what inspired the design of this modern house located in Lima, Peru. The arid corner lot, with an area of 500 square meters, allowed for a simple form, achieving a formal, spatial, and programmatic economy that shelters and contains the emotions and desires of the residents. Creating a new plant landscape over the existing arid layer and incorporating it into every corner of the house with the expectation that the plants will mature and become part of the architecture and its time was an essential value that undoubtedly guided us in designing a very open and airy ground floor. The atmosphere here can be felt, creating moments of pause and containing peace in all its corners and spaces. This main social space rests on two structural elements. One is the axis that contains the service areas, internal courtyards and game room, materialized in the granite wall that runs the length of the lot, and in the opposite direction, a smaller box that houses the powder room and staircase. Both volumes function as support, and the first floor rests on them, defining the contained functions and the indoor-outdoor flow. The terrace, as an intermediate space, rises and extends a few meters further without a roof, generating visual and floor depth, expanding its possibilities and flexibility of use. The upper floor houses the traditional functions of the more private realm, such as the bedrooms and family room. The main facade, both external and internal, incorporates a large inverted structural beam that functions as a planter, allowing vegetation to be present inside the rooms. Along with the filtered light from its sliding wooden screens, it creates a special tone and movement within. Finally, by aligning all functional, structural, programmatic, material values, and above all emotions, the Axé House proposes a noble architecture where the mass expressed in concrete, the warmth of wood, its spatiality, and management of light become the raw materials for materializing this project with positive energy. Axé